Let's discuss the traditional retirement model used for many years and see whether it's still relevant today. The three-legged stool is a term for the trio of previously common sources of retirement income: company pensions, Social Security, and personal savings. The first leg of the stool has been corporate pension plans up until recently. This stool is a bit shaky as it has lost the leg of corporate pensions as more and more companies have moved away from providing this guaranteed benefit. Now it's up to you to save for your retirement through a defined contribution plan. A retirement savings account such as a 401k, individual retirement account, IRA, or other personal retirement plan. Initially, these retirement savings accounts were meant to supplement pensions, but with more employers preferring to offer them over a pension, the burden for retirement savings is squarely on the individual's, your, shoulders. Another leg of the stool, Social Security, is in question, with predictions that the system could run out of reserves as early as 2033. If this situation occurs, it could result in beneficiaries facing a benefit cut. However, it still needs to be discovered what or when a cut will happen. These projections for money available do not account for rising interest rates, increased revenue, or several other factors. However, Social Security may not be a reliable source of income in the future. That leaves our third leg, personal savings. Lower values of pensions and savings have affected U.S. workers over the last decade. Recessions and stagnant wages have made it challenging to put money aside. Inflation over time could also affect the value of your savings and thus jeopardize your strategy for the future. Simply put, inflation is a general increase in prices and a fall in the purchasing value of money. Common effects of inflation are higher food and fuel bills, lower purchasing power, lower values of pensions and savings, rising prices for goods and services, changes to mortgages, savings, and the cost of borrowing. With the stool down to pretty much one leg, you may need to start saving a larger portion of your income. The great news is that annuities and insurance products can provide you with retirement income solutions to help supplement or replace other sources that may be on shaky ground. It's always important to consider financial outlays, the protection you need, and much more, and it should be based on a sound financial strategy. One effective way to save is to pay yourself first. A simple way to accomplish this is to set up an automatic savings program with a financial institution such as your bank or credit union. Finding or establishing the right balance between what you spend now and what you save for later is essential. Try to be intentional with your spending as with your savings. Think about establishing a spending plan. Mapping out your expenses may help ensure that you spend money on the things that add value to your life and still have money to add to your savings account at the end of the month. Work with a WFG financial professional to find the best way for you to prepare for your financial future. Visit worldfinancialgroup.com today.